We are here to present the New FM Best Pacific Urban Artist Award, and the finalists are...
The finalists for the New FM Best Pacific Urban Artist are... Cydel, Soul Finder.
I make it focus on the camera, chill like Scribble Jam. Everywhere I go, got the rapper saying Scribble Dan. Anybody can do it, you know Scribble can. Went from the top to the bottom to the top again.
She wanted to say it. And the winner is...
Yeah. Okay, the New FM Best Pacific Urban Artist Award, a treat though. Hey. English is my second language, okay? Goes to... Cydel!
Cydel couldn't be here tonight to accept the award, so we're gonna... He's in here the building tonight. I just want to thank someone that when I was raised by my mother, by herself, and just seeing people so close to me at a young age lose their life on the streets. Guys that took me in, and he was there to comfort me and talk to me really strongly and tell me that people, as many as the stars up in the sky, will get the chance to hear the music that we write. And you know, and being real naughty, you know, we had our time being naughty out there, and the gambling, the drugs, the drinking, everything. He still had the patience to wait for me, and now this, if he had told any one of us about 10 years ago that this would happen, I would never believe it. And this person is very dear to my heart, and I just want to thank the Lord Jesus Christ. Hi, Mum. I don't really say much, but one of the reasons why I'm doing what I do today is because my mother said to me, son, follow your heart. And my mum's here tonight. Mum, thank you, Mum. This is... There's too many to name tonight, and you know my heart. You know my heart, man. I will just keep going about job, but we feel like the oldest rookie band. Sucks, you know, we've been around 15, 16 years, so to those out there that contributed in our movement and in our journey over those years, I thank you, I honour you, and my door's always opening. So, and to the people, I love you heaps. You know, it's our time, and for all musicians, you know, they always say, we'll hook up next week, and never happens. But I think tonight, you know, we take the time because being power to the people. And so, if we all get together, it'll be our time to stand. So thank you very much. And we dress like this because we're from the kingdom.